Yung dance steps sa inyo, and all you have to do is to dance with us with this music. At syempre, ito na po ang ating opening gift para sa ating bagong kasal, okay? Ang gagawin natin, let's join us all together on this dance flash mob. Let's clap our hands left and right, dalawang beses lang po. And 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second step po natin para lang tayo nagpa-wash hands. Okay, wash hands left and right. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next step po natin, please join us until the end of our celebration. So medyo mainit lang po, pero manatili po tayong fresh until later. So let's do the freshening step. Para po tayo nagpapaypay left and right. And 1, 2, and right. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And second to the last step, dalawa na lang po. All you have to do is to step your foot left and right, pero may kamay siya, okay? And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And last but not the least, dahil celebration po ito ng buhay, bubuhay mag-asawa po ni Maynard and Faith. Let's put our hands up in the air. Party po tayo. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ganun lamang po kadali. Mga ninong and ninang, samahan niyo po kami. Mga bisita, kamag-anak at kaibigan, join us here. Once again, mahal niyo po ba? Tayo po muna tayong lahat. Bawal po muna umupo. Tayo po muna tayong lahat. Ayan. Okay. Mahal niyo po ba? Tayo po tayong lahat. Ang nakaupo po, hindi po pipila sa buffet. Ayan. Sige po. Tayo po muna tayong lahat. Okay. Mahal niyo po ba ang ating bagong kasal? Yes! Ang ganda po bang sumaya? Yes! Come on, let's do it. Dahil bonggang-bong ating celebration. DJ, let's hit with our music. Come on! And of course, I'd like to invite ko si Nessa Dancing Staff. Ayan, sasamahan po nila tayo. Hindi lang po masarap na mag-train at hindi nila dahil they're also with us. Come on, let's clap our hands. Come on, right, ready? 1, 2, and